All right, kindergarten, this is one of the lessons that we are going to be talking about this week in reading. So this is not in any books that you have. We're just going to be looking at this page and we're going to be talking about it together. So looking at the screen because you don't have a book to look in. All right, so we are going to read the sentences and then look at the picture. We're going to point to the words that we are going to be learning this week and we're going to be adding them to your sight words. So your sight words are the words that you need to know how to read and write by just remembering them by the end of the school year. So look in the green box down here. It says is, how, right? Owl says owl like we see it in the word cow, right? Except for at the beginning we have the h sound. So OW still says owl and we add the h, which makes howl. Of, we've already used this word. So, making the long O sound. Many, and this is where Y sometimes says I at the end of a word, or E, right? I or E. So, many. And where. So I say where. Oh, I know I hear w, e, but I have a couple letters in here that I don't hear when I say the word, right? I don't hear the h. So I'm not going to say w, h, e, e. So sometimes we have letters that are helping another letter say a sound. So in this we have this H and this E at the end, helping us make the word where. And we know where is used when we are asking questions, right? Where are you going? Where is my lunch? Where is my favorite toy? So always you will hear this when it's in a sentence question. Many. What does many mean? M-A-N-Y. Many is several, right? I have many toys. I have many pieces of paper. How many pieces of candy did you get? Or how many birthday gifts am I going to get? Or how many people can I help today? So is when we use so. What do you mean? So let's go to the park and then have lunch. So we use this to put some more sentences together, right? Of is used in lots of our conversations and sentences. So that's why it is important that we learn how to read it and use it in our writing. How. Is how another word that we could use in a sentence question? Yes. So we might hear how when we're asking a question or when we're telling someone something. That is how you bake a cake, right? So I'm explaining. Is we have used a lot already this school year in reading and writing. So now we are just adding them all to our weekly sight words that we write. All right, let's go up here and look at these sentences. We're just going to go through this really quickly. And I want you to notice how the words that you see that are in this green box are used in a sentence. So this is a planet. This is a planet. Look at that picture. We've seen planets like that before. This is, it's using the word is from our new sight word box. This is how we see a planet. What is he using to see a planet? Is he just using his eyes only and just looking up in the sky, or does he need this machine or this item? Right, do you know what that's called? It is a telescope. That's right, and that's how you see far, far, far away. Because it would be hard to see these kind of things just with our eyes. I don't think that we can really see all the outer space planets, right? I see how many sight words are in this sentence that we have. Is, how, that's right. Oh, and they are using how without using it as a question. So this is how we see a planet. So that's how we do something, right? It's more like a verb. All right, Earth is the name of our planet. Good. Earth is the name of our planet. Is this one Earth or this one? That's right, this one, because Earth is more blue because it's covered in ocean. What are the sight words in this? Of, is, good job. This spaceship is so big! Exclamation point. I see is and so, and that is a big spaceship. My goodness. See how many stars there are. Exclamation. So I should say that with excitement. See how many stars there are. Good. That is a lot of stars. Is the moon a star? What sight words do we see? How. Good. And they're using how again in a regular sentence, not a question. Where on earth do you live? Question mark. Oh, yeah, so where is using in a question. And that is called a globe, right? A globe has the whole world and the different names of oceans and lakes and cities and countries. You'll use that more in your upper grades. All right, good job, kindergarten. So remember, we're going to be using these this week to write them in our work. And if you want to go ahead and challenge yourself, I want you to get out your whiteboards and I want you to write each word 3 times each on your whiteboard. So is, how, 3 times on your whiteboard. And when you finish that, you erase your whiteboard and get ready to get out your reader's notebook.